SnapBots.
Hi guys, my name is SnapBots. Today I would like to introduce Tether, also called USDT. USDT or Tether is the most trending stable coins now, and it is also the first stable coin among the largest cryptocurrencies. USDT also can be safely held, swap, or easily transfer via Snapbots wallet. People call USDT as a stable coin. It's because the price is more stable than other cryptocurrencies. So the value of USDT is the same as the value of the US dollar. USDT makes cryptocurrency trading more convenient, and it doesn't have to go through banking either. That's why USDT is extremely suitable for buying and selling in the blockchain network. And don't forget to hold your USDT on Snapbots wallet to receive huge rewards. See you in the next videos.